Well, the RV industry experienced a boom during the pandemic. Manufacturers are responding to the tens of millions of new RVers with exciting new vehicles. National transportation and RV expert Mike Caudill joins us live from the Elkhart RV Open House with an exclusive look at the new awesome RVs that are going to hit the market next year. Mike, good morning.
Hey, good morning. I hope you're well. Thanks for having me on. And you just hit the nail on the head at the very beginning. You said new consumers entering the RV market. Coincidentally, the average age of a new RVer is actually 32. So we're seeing significantly younger buyers getting into the market. And post-COVID, we're seeing people really, with that point drop last week, get excited about RVs and continue that momentum. So I have a variety I want to show you. I spent the week checking out all the latest and greatest. And I'll start with technology. On Monday, Thor Industries, one of the biggest RV makers in the world, partnered with a company out of Southern California called Harbinger, and they debuted an all-new, fully electric, hybrid RV that'll be hitting the market. They'll go into manufacturing in 2025. It'll have 500 miles of range. If you want to go pure electric, 150 miles of range. And the best part is performance number, a 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. You'll be the fastest RV in the campsite. Also, Winnebago showing off a new app. It's called Winnebago Connect. And this is really cool. You can use this app anywhere in the world and control the climate. We're showing that puppy because if you leave your animal or puppy inside your RV and go out for the day, you can control the temperature to make sure they're safe on the inside. Of course, you can monitor your battery, you can monitor your tanks, your water, etc. So really cool technology hitting the market. Now, affordability is key. Americans want to buy affordable things right now with interest rates, and we think about inflation. So I went on the hunt for the most affordable one I could find. This is by Jayco. It's called the J-Flight SLX. It starts at $15,000, can sleep up to 6 with 2 bunks on the inside. You can see the kitchen dinette.
Wow.
Full kitchen on the inside as well, Michelle. It's amazing.
Wow.
And like I said, $15,000. Over my shoulder, I wanted to show you Ember. This is their new unit right here. They've got one called the Spark, but that big hatch on the side that you see behind me, that's a multi-purpose area, and they have an exclusive thing called the E-Track, and what's really unique about it is you can hang a hammock, create a workstation on the inside. I'll show you that image here in a second. You can also store your bikes in there as well, and that's really functional for consumers. So you can work there with the hatch open, be exposed to nature. Fantastic. Starting price right about $39,000. And this is a new one by Grand Design. This is a Class C. It's the first time they're getting into the motorized unit. I'll tell you the price at the end. Don't freak out, because it's actually the most competitive price for this Class C segment. Theater seating, king-size bed, nice kitchen setup on the inside, and a cool series of secret hatches. This one hidden behind the flat screen television. Starting price is $190,000, but if you're out traveling across the country, you have great flexibility with this, and if you compare it to some of the others, it actually comes in an accessible price range. Now, I'm going to give you 3 destination style RVs. This is a massive, big trend here. This one's got a fiberglass exterior that's painted with these cool outdoor graphics on it, wood grain graphics. Inside, you've got a workstation, big living space, pull-out pantry. Look at this sofa recliner right here. 2 lofts on the inside, and this is 40+ feet in length.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy.
It is, and they're meant to go to RV spots, and then when you get to an RV spot, you can leave it there for a few weeks, or a big plot of land over a lake. They're really cool. They all start in that $100,000 range. You've got the Alliance Benchmark and the Crossroads Hampton. The Benchmark is this one right here by Alliance. It's a big 5th wheel style. They've got a pull behind as well, and this is the Benchmark right here. I love the exciting. You can put a deck out on the outside or a patio.
That's a party patio right there. I love it so much.
It is a party patio.
All right.
Yeah, a lot of stuff here happening at the show.
So many awesome RVs. Mike Caudill, thank you so much. Have a great time.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Sure. Ken?
Yeah.